Creative work thrives on collaboration, ideally when feedback is clear, timely, and easy to act on. Firefly Boards simplifies the review process by making collaboration visual, contextual, and friction-free, so your team can stay aligned, your ideas stay sharp, and your momentum stays strong. In this video, we'll walk through how to use comments and annotations to streamline the feedback and keep your board organized. Whether you're working with a team or flying solo, these tools help you stay focused and intentional. Here's how it works. Add comments directly on visuals so feedback stays tied to specific design elements. Use pins to highlight exactly where your input belongs. No guesswork, no confusion. Tag teammates using @mentions to bring the right voices into the conversation. Add emojis to add tone, clarity, or just a little personality to your notes. Resolve threads to clear clutter and show what's been addressed. Edit or delete comments when things change or need refinement. And when your board starts to fill up, use comment filtering to cut through the noise. You can sort by reviewer, time, status, or unread comments, so you're always seeing what's most relevant. These features make asynchronous collaboration feel seamless. You don't need to be in the same room or even online at the same time to stay in sync and keep the creative energy flowing. So what does it mean to simplify the review process? It means feedback becomes part of the creative flow, not a separate step. Input gets organized in a way that's easy to navigate and act on, and your team stays aligned without losing time or clarity. Here are a few ways to level up your review process inside Firefly Boards. Keep feedback visual and specific. Comment directly on the work. Use pins and labels to guide attention and clarify intent. Filter comments to stay focused on what's unresolved and most relevant. And resolve threads to keep your board clean and your team confident in next steps. Feedback is how good ideas become great ones. Firefly Boards helps you build that muscle by making review part of the design process, not an afterthought. When feedback is visual, organized, and easy to manage, your ideas get sharper, your team gets stronger, and your work moves forward with confidence. With these tips in mind, I encourage you to try them out in your next project. Your team will be spending less time chasing comments and more time creating work that's thoughtful, refined, and ready to share.